Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel English Grammar Touch. Today we are going to see the 10th standard grammar part, active voice, passive voice, which is given in the page number 14 in the unit 1. So we are recalling it. See, in the class 9th, you have already learned about active voice, passive voice, not only in just even in 6th, 7th, 8th, we are learned it. So we can recall it. See, we can recall it. When we give importance to the people and do things, when things do, we use active forms. When we give importance to what happened to the people and things, we use passive voice. We are going to the just exercise now. The manager appointed. The manager changed the following sentence to other voice. The manager appointed many office assistants. So many, or the answer will be many office assistants were appointed by the manager. Okay. Now, before that, I want to explain you. My office were appointed by the manager. Okay. So now I want to explain you active voice, passive voice. See, 3 examples I have given for you. First one I have given the present tense. Second one, present continuous tense. And third one, present perfect tense. So change to the passive voice. So first you want to know, first one, the subject, verb, object. And subject stands for, S stands for subject, V stands for verbs, and O stands for objects. Okay. So how we are saying, see, the subject, when you are changing to the active to the passive voice, the subject comes to object place, and object you want to place it to subject place. And what is the formula is be verb plus past participle. Okay, be verb plus past participle. So now we can change it. See, Ravi, present tense for Ravi eats apple. So apple from the in that present active voice, it's in the object place, and I'm bringing the just apple to the subject place. Apple. See, be verbs R is the just word. Why you are using R? Because apples plural. That's why I'm using. You should use R. And what is the verb form of you? See, I've just written here verb form. Tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Past participle. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Play, played, played, complete. So here just what you want. What is the formula? I said be verb plus past participle. So the be verb are and past by eaten by Ravi. So apples are eaten by Ravi. Second one, Sasi is playing football. See, football, that just for that you should not change the tense while changing the active to the passive. So football is, and the be verb is there. I'm writing the be verb for be. I'm writing there, and just ing. Just see just I'm adding to it, and you're saying meaning. And play or play. What is the past participle of play? Played. So football is being played by Sasi. By this you can understand that is continuous tense, and this is also continuous tense. So what is in the active tense? What is there that you want to maintain it in the passive voice? Okay. So third one is work has been completed by Muhammad. So Muhammad has completed. That is present perfect tense. So his work, that the object I'm bringing to subject place. See what is the just for be just has been, be-e-n, been, the be verb is given there, and completed. So that is the past participle. So his work has been completed by Muhammad. So you want to just change like this. Okay. So subject comes to the object place, and vice versa means object comes to subject place. Be verb plus participle. Past participle is the thing. Okay. Now we'll go to the exercise and we'll do that thing. See, the first one, the manager appointed many office bearers. So it's a past tense. See, many office bearers, object come to subject place, were appointed by the manager. Second one, you are making a cake now. A cake is being made by you now. Third one, the portrait was painted by the. Second one is continuous tense, so they are maintaining the continuous tense. Third one, the portrait was painted by my grandmother. My grandmother painted that portrait. So we are changing the passive into active here. See, you have removed the what you have done, see, subject came to the object place, object took the subject place, and you have removed that was, and you have given the verb. So my grandfather painted that portrait. Malini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. A colorful hat had been bought by Malini for her daughter. Fifth one, they have asked me to pay the fine. I have been asked by them to pay the fine. So see the formula how they past participle. Subject coming to the object place, object come to subject place, be verb plus past participle. When you are changing to active, you want to remove the be verb and you want to give the form of the just what? What is the form of the verb you want to give there? Okay. The militant were being taken to prison by the police. It's consistency. So police were taking the militant to the prison. Seventh one is behavior vexes me. The me when coming to the subject, it takes this form C, I, first person. I am vexed by his behavior. Third one, Rosie will solve the problem. It's future tense, you want to make it future. The problem will be solved by, see. The will, they are using the model verb will there, and they are using the formula for actually for be verbs, be they are using and solved. Okay, the problem will be solved by the Rosie. Ninth, our army has defeated the enemy. The enemy has been defeated by our army. Fifth or tenth, last one. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. It's past tense, so in passive also past. All the questions were patiently answered by the salesman. Next we are going for G. Change the following into passive voice. See, please call him at once. So just you are the please. They are saying you are requested, because if you are going and asking somebody directly when you are talking to him, you will use please. So how they are saying you are requested to call him at once. So I just first one, see, please call him at once. You are requested to call him at once. Second one is a question. How did you cross the river? And the passive also want to be in question. How was the river crossed by you? Third one, no one is borrowing the novel from the library. The novels from the library are not being borrowed. Fourth one, will you help me? Will I, me takes the I form first person. Will I be helped by you? Fifth one, go for a jog early in the morning. So it's advice for you by someone. So how to answer? You are advised to go for a jog in the morning. Sixth one is the question, why have you left your brother at home? Why has your brother been left at home by you? Seventh one, nobody should violate the rules. The rules should not be violated. Here nobody, so there is no need of just for object we don't want to give, because nobody means no one. Eighth one, someone has to initiate it immediately. It has to be initiated immediately. Ninth one, have you invited Raman to the party? Has Raman been invited by you to the party? It's a question, so in the passive form also it should be a question. 10th one, please do not walk on the grass. So please. So you are requested. So you are requested not to walk on the grass. 11th one, cross the busy road carefully. It's an advice for you. So you are advised to cross the busy roads carefully. When will you book the tickets to Bangalore? When will the tickets to Bangalore be booked by me? So I told you I have given that examples. I have given examples just like this three, so that the rules you want to correctly, or if you are following it, you can do any just what exercise you can do. Okay, you can expect 2 marks definitely. Not expect, you are just definitely you want to answer 2 marks in the public exam paper from this voice. So I think all the questions will come from the book. Just most possibly you can expect one question from this area. Okay, so prepare well and you should score the 2 marks. Okay, thank you very much.